Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we are starting with the 10th lesson. Subject, verb, agreement. It's on page number 57 of your grammar book. Just see there, 4 students are there, 2 boys and 2 girls, and they are telling us something. Just above they have said us, identify the correct sentence. Now, what is Amit saying? Marks on my shirt. Where? What does Pulkit say? Marks is here. Shalini says, mark are here. Richa says, marks here. Now, just see about Pulkit. Marks is here. Marks. Mark means it is going to be singular. Marks means it is plural. Now marks is here means it is a wrong sentence. It should be marks are here, because plural, if I am using a plural word, along with that I should use a plural verb. So this sentence is wrong. Now Shalini, mark are here. Now see, mark is a singular word, but are is a plural verb. So again it is wrong, because with singular word I should use a singular verb. So it should have been mark is here. See there on the shirt only one cross mark is there, whereas Pulkit, he was having 2 cross marks. So he should say marks are here. Shalini should say mark is here. Now Richa says marks here. This is also incomplete sentence, right? Marks are here, she should say, but marks here. Yes, again it is a wrong sentence. And what about Amit? Marks on my shirt. Where? There is only one cross mark, but he is saying marks on my shirt. Where? So again, even that is a correct sentence or a wrong sentence. Can you tell me? We'll read just see. If you identified the first sentence, you just identified the sentence with the correct subject verb agreement. So he is just asking a question. Marks on my shirt, but where? He doesn't know how many marks are there. So the first sentence is a correct sentence, whereas the other 3 sentences are wrong. So what we learned here with this image is that if I am using a singular subject, then a singular verb should come. And if I am using a plural subject, then a plural verb should come. So this we are going to study in this lesson. The rules to study subject verb agreement. Like if single subject is there, single verb will come. That is singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject means plural verb. And there are some rules for this we will be studying in this lesson. Just see the examples. This road is blocked for public use. This road means only one road is there. One road. So it is singular. So with singular subject I should have singular verb. Is. Can you see that? Is, which is a helping verb. So is being used, which is singular verb. Now second one, the city roads are under maintenance. You can see roads. Roads word means it is plural. So along with plural subject I should use plural verb. Are. Are is again the helping verb. So are is again plural. Myra speaks very confidently. Here you might get confused. Speak means singular, speaks means plural, but no. Speaks means singular. Speak means plural. So with singular subject, Myra is the subject, speaks is the singular verb, which is the main verb. Next one, the students. Students means it is plural. Along with plural, I should use plural verb. Speak is the plural verb. Now go to the next page. They have given you some more examples so that you can understand. The verb must also agree with the person. So we have first person, second person, third person, right? So the verb, when I am making a sentence, it should agree with a person, whether it is the first person, second person, or third person. He, they, those, I, me. So these all are first, second, and third persons. You might have already studied all this. So we should make a sentence where the verb is going to agree with the subject, or the subject should agree with the verb, whether singular or plural. Now just see the singular and plural verb forms. He does. Neha is strong. She rides. The horse neighs. It rings. Now here, singular verb is formed by adding es to the base form of the verb. Like I said before, speaks means I was adding es, or only s. I was adding only s to speak. So that was by adding s, that is adding s to the singular form of, or the base form of the verb. You can see singular verb is formed by adding es to the base form of the verb. So I am adding do. Do is the base form. I am adding es. Next, write. I am adding s. Neighs. It rings. So here all es is being added. Now to the plural form, I should not add s or es. To singular form, I will be adding s or es to the base form of the verb, and to the plural form, I will be not adding s or es. Next, there are again some rules which are given there. Exercise will be solving later. Rules for subject verb agreement. If the subject is a third person singular noun or the pronoun he, she, it, this or that, use a singular verb. So third person means he, she, it, this or that. These are the third person. When we are addressing the third persons, we are going to use he, she, it, this or that. At that time, I'll be using singular verb because I am addressing a singular person, singular subject. He means singular, she means is singular, it, this, that are also singular. So along with singular noun, I'll be using singular verb. Just see that Kajal lives here. Kajal means only one person lives. So I am using a singular verb. He or she works hard. Here he or she, it is again singular noun, singular subject. Works means singular verb, and hard. If I am going to address plural, they means many people, it is plural. They work hard. I am using only work, I am not adding s. Next one. If the subject is a third person plural noun or the pronoun I, you, where or they, use a plural verb. So now if the subject is the plural noun, then I should use a plural verb. I have already said you, they, we. Next one. If two subjects are joined by and, the word and, which is a compound subject, use a plural verb. Because when do I use and? When I'm talking about two things, two or more things. Two or more things means it is again plural, many are there. So I'll be using plural verb. So whenever and word comes, use plural verb. That is the third rule. The remaining 4 rules we'll be discussing in the next class, and then we'll be solving the exercise also in the next class. Thank you.